Dongguan AnDu is an integrated enterprise of industry and trade as one. It was founded in 2008 and located in Dongguan, Guangdong, covering an area of nearly 5,000 square meters. Our company has passed the Quality Management System IATF 16949 certification, and our products has passed the inspection of UL, VDE, CCC, CQC, CE certification. Moreover, we have many patent certifications. We have many professionals specializing in R&D, production, and selling fuse, auto fuse, fuse tap, fuse holder, OBD, auto relay, auto connector, battery connector, audio fuse holder, and wire harness, which are widely used in vehicle equipment, new energy vehicles, and automotive electronic protective systems. Meanwhile, we can provide customers with intimate, customized services. Our thousands kinds of products are sold all over the world, especially Auto Fuse has been sold more than hundreds of millions. We do business with many retailers and have deep relationships with lots famous enterprises. We value every customer and adhere to the concept of creating value for customers by providing best products and services. After years of exploration and accumulation, our company has won a good market honor and developed to be an outstanding and well-known enterprise around the world. We are looking forward to cooperating with you in the near future.